Hi, my name is Lisa. I'm one of the teachers in LatinQuarter, and this is a short animated video we have prepared to explain and illustrate the quarter turn in Quickstep. The timing for the Quickstep is slow, slow, quick, quick. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Slow, slow, quick, quick. The first two slows are at 45 degrees forward to the line of dance, starting on the lead's left foot. The first quick rotates 90 degrees clockwise to the lead's left on the lead's right foot as he steps to the side on his left foot. On the second quick, the lead closes his right foot to his left and changes weight to his right foot. In the second two slows of the quarter turn, the lead starts by stepping back on his left 45 degrees backwards to the line of dance. On the first quick, the lead rotates anti-clockwise 90 degrees, pivoting on his right foot as he steps to the side on his left. To finish the quarter turn, the lead closes his right foot to his left, then changes his weight from his left to his right foot. On the second forward slow, the lead rotates the lady's upper body slightly with his frame to allow him to move to his left outside the lady's line of dance and step outside her right leg with his right. When executing the 90-degree turn, it is important that the lead rotates his upper body so that the lady is rotated out of his way and line of travel. Thank you for viewing, and we wish you health, wealth, and happiness for the future.